I've learned how to 3D print from scratch. So I've learned the software and I've learned how to use a 3D printer.
It's great because you're able to fix things and all that.
Can help with any future careers because lots of careers will be using 3D printing by the time we're adults.
Definitely learned some of the basics of 3D modelling and how to understand the dynamics of 3D objects when designing them.
Stuff like that's becoming the future.
Honestly, you could use it for anything. With 3D printing, you can do a lot of things because as you know, technology is advancing a lot. So obviously, you'll be able to make more things with it.
Whether it's for a job or just your own projects at home, it's just a really good skill to have.
My favourite subject is DT and all my engineering subjects.
It creates more of an idea of what you'd like to do in the future, and it also makes you more creative.
I want to, in the future, get into BAE systems and designing aeroplane parts.
You can put it on your CV and then it works towards getting an apprenticeship or a job at BAE, and then you just get higher and higher.
I've always wanted to make a robot out of 3D printing.
I know it seems complicated at first, 3D printing, but give it a chance and it gets really fun.
I find it really fun. I enjoy doing it. I enjoy the teamwork. I enjoy working together in a team.
If something's going wrong, then don't just give up on it. Be resilient and keep on working on it until you get it perfect.
I want to do it as GCSE because I've heard of a lot of people that have got a lot of money that have all started from engineering. I want to be like Bill Gates and someone like that.
Be open-minded to the different things you can create and opportunities you can get from 3D printing.
I've always liked a challenge, so yeah, I would like it.
It's a pretty good skill to learn. It's very useful and you can adapt it to many scenarios and situations.
It doesn't matter where you come from or who you are. It means everything to someone if you really want to do it.
Yeah, I'd love to do more of this work at GCSE because I find it such a fun and creative way to spend my time. And some of the concepts and ideas that you can come up with just a bit of plastic is truly unbelievable.